Welcome to Poseidwn Tech. In today's video, we will make our curtain smart using SwitchBot Curtain. A device that can be installed in 30 seconds, has features like touch and go, of course it can be connected with Amazon Alexa and many other. So let's unbox it. Inside the box we can find first of all the user guide, which in this case please don't throw it away, you will need it. It has several information about the installation procedure. This metal tape for extended rods. The actual SwitchBot Curtain device that we'll check later. Some plastic clips that you can use for the grommet. And inside this small box we can find a charging cable, which is USB Type-C, and this silicone tape that is also be used for the grommet. And this is the SwitchBot Curtain device, which feels really good quality. In case you are using a rod that is split in two pieces or it's extended one, you need to use this metal tape. You need to unpeel it from here and stick it around the connection of the two pieces of the rod. Now, in case you have a curtain that is type grommet, you need this silicone tape and these plastic clips. These are connected like this. Please have in mind that you can find all the useful information regarding the different types of the curtains in the site of the SwitchBot. As we said, in the package is also included a USB charging cable, and this is a Type-C. Now let's see the actual SwitchBot Curtain device. This is the device, and as you can see it is split in several parts. This is the upper part, two side parts that can be removed like that, and the actual device. This is a rod type device, and as you can see the rod slides through this opening. This is the charging port and also the power button. For the SwitchBot Curtain there is also available a solar panel. This is the one that will help you charge the included battery. So let's unbox it. Inside the package you can find a user manual, the actual solar panel, some velcro, really strong one, and this is the actual solar panel. Now let's connect it to the SwitchBot Curtain. It goes from this side. First we need to open these hooks. Removing the top part from the SwitchBot Curtain will make things easier. And then we need to put the hooks inside these holes. We need to lift the bracket like this. And it's ready. The solar panel is connected. I have to admit that is a very clever engineering. Also, there is a brightness sensor included in the solar panel. If you want to remove it, it's easier to remove the side parts, and that's it. But there is also another way to connect it. In case you want to put it in a different place, probably a little bit lower, you need to close the hooks, remove this back cover, and it unveils this small cord. You unwrap it, you put back the cover, and connect it through the USB Type-C cable. That's it. Now you have the option to put the solar panel or different position. Very clever. Let's put the cable back in place. Now it's time to connect the SwitchBot Curtain device to the SwitchBot application. In order to do so, we need to put the device in pairing mode, and this can be done by press and hold the button in the back side. Next, we need to open the SwitchBot application and press the plus button. This will scan for available devices. As you can see, our device already appears here in the list. We can select it. In case it does not appear, we get some instruction on how to put the device on pairing mode. Here we can select the name of the curtain. Let's name it Curtain 1. And select the room. Let's select Office. And press Next. Bingo! Our device is ready in some seconds. If we select our device, Curtain 1, we have the option to open, close or pause it. If we press More, some additional settings. We will go through these settings a little bit later. Now let's go back and add a second device. Same procedure for the second device. Press the plus button. Make sure that the device is on pairing mode. Give it a name and that's it. Now it's time to proceed with the calibration of the devices as we are prompted to. Here we can select the open mode. We select from the middle. Now it will combine the two devices in one. And the calibration procedure has been started. At this point we need to define the fully open and fully closed position for both the devices. The instructions in the calibration are very detailed, so we just need to follow the instructions. First Curtain 1 and then Curtain 2. That's it. Now we just need a confirmation. Move it to fully open and fully closed position. And our device is ready. Now don't forget that both devices appear as a single device with the name of the second device. In our example, Curtain 2. Here we can open and close both devices since we have selected the open mode to be from the middle. And when we press More, we have some additional options as well as the settings, where we can change the name, assign to a different home. Under the advanced settings we have the option to touch and go and light sensor. We have always the option to proceed again to calibration, to pair it with a remote device, select the actions per button in case of a remote. We have the option to enable the cloud services, of course, check the firmware and battery per device, to ungroup them, device information, and also to pair it with NFC. Back in the options screen, as you can see, we can check from here the level of the battery for both devices. We can move the sliders and move the curtains either to open or close position. Since the slider control mode is configured to both sides, it moves with one move and one touch both devices and both curtains. We have light sensing, which is still in beta mode. We can configure some delays or a schedule, and of course we have the motion mode, which we can select either silent mode or performance mode. Now let's check the SwitchBot curtains in action. As you can see, it works perfect. Let's try to close it also. And let's check the touch and go feature. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press like and consider subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.